Kublai pi barwa ni bidang sobahai pi sekatuk kubor jung pengor People News. Haswa ini sedang yaki kubor kujungi minta kata yang ini kami suai kimat bakongsan. Sengokia Menteri Ketenat Pulia Putih baduna kena pulia haki sispa Andri Pratli ki primary school bat sispa iwaitli ki upper primary school ke Jela. Oni trelang kaki DC bat ke World Bank banwan ra ya ke kut ke Subang. Yat pat ba kinong hikai bandawa na UBC ke Nihu. Bandung ni kejing yelang jongka Academic Council. Beteng kejing berat pathari ki merat ki belayap. Lap say kamasi ki belayap halor ke telong umbam ke sornong po. Dawa ke hitu bantau ya ke reservation policy halor ke bahak pulih. Hadali on penlong jingyek ki ke HANM bandawa ILP bat ban penrung ya ke tin khasi bat garu ha ke 8 schedule. Bat Asian benta ki samla ha ke district level youth exchange program. Menteri Ketenat Pulia Putih jong Sarkar Meghalaya rakam sangma hakala asing blai jong tayo ulapan pau ya ke jung sokhya ya ke kabla mi haka kaipot jong Sarkar pedeng halor ke jung dan tang shipongwat ki khna school haki sispa Andri Pratli ki primary school jong ke Jela bat ulapan pau badan kamban shimkhya bha ya ke ni kebenta.
Menteri Ketenat Pulia Putih ke Jela Meghalaya rakam sangma haka khandai trek risau arajar arpulai ulapan pau ke jing songkhya halor ke jingkhen ke belapan mi da Ketenat Pulia Putih jong Sarkar pedeng halor ki sispa Andri Pratli ki lower primary school bat ki sispa iwaitli ki upper primary school haka Jela Meghalaya ke badangdan tang hapo shphongut ki khna school. Habakran ni gelat pathai kubor Menteri Ketenat Pulia Putih ke Jela Meghalaya ulithu bagani ke jingkhen ke belapan pau de Ketenat Pulia Putih jong ke Sarkar pedeng lengba ke ke website jongka balada ke jingkhen ke basisha kan ni kalong ke basngokya. Menteri ulak dauru banda kaliang ke Sarkar Jela kan omla ban Shimrai ban khangno ikini ki school ki beduna ki kena pulia. Hendrai kan persang ban wat ki daw ki kena kim kwa ban wan school lagan dei namar ke jing bambyang ki yeng school ne ka daw ki no hikai ne ki ki daw. Rakam sangma ulithu uru bahag Jela kidang don ki school ki bakatanat keladap ban pun kerja ki kena ki school beduna palat ki kena school sekiwai pat ki school. Hendrai kidan pat ki katok ni school ki ba omlong ban kerja namar bagi jengai ni kisnong.
Personalization has already been carried out, but there are some schools is practically impossible because suppose there are school 2 kilometer, 5 kilometer away, but at the top of the hill, having very 10 enrollment students. If we bring them down, it is impossible. Where these children will go? So with that perspective, but like I don't like schools. It's a campus, the environment of the school campus that really bring us students to the schools.
So
But closing may not be the solution, but we have to now study how it has happened. It is because of the infrastructure, because of the teachers, because of some other things. I think after verifying all the reason and the issues, I think the government can take a step. But this is something which is to my concern that schools having less enrollment is a matter of concern, and it really give challenge and what you call the teachers and the management to take on board. And this is true. It's a very alarming in the state. And the primary school enrollment has come down drastically. We have 168 number of a primary school having less than 10 students enrollment, and UP school 101 as per the data from the ministry. So
Ha kawai pagaliang kabay day pagkatulap kino hikai SSA bat katulap kinong tray mid day meal. Menteri ulapan tip bahapo artayo ka Sarkar pedeng ka saplat no ikatulap baar benai jong kino hikai SSA. Menteri ulapan tip bro pada kaliang ka Sarkar pedeng kaladap ban pelat ka mang tengka na ka PM Poshan na ka benta ban siu kinong tray jong ka skim mid day meal ka banlong na ka benta ubenaya yong hadu ubenay jeliu arhajar arpulai. Bat na kaliang Sarkar Jela kan siu no ikatulap jong benay risau ka senam arhajar arpulai. Halor ke jingdawa kinong tray mid day meal ban penkiu ikatulap Menteri ulapan tip na kaliang ka Sarkar kam syamrai AA ban penkiu ikatulap jong kinong tray mid day meal. Bat kumba kalong benta kandang siu hikat kum gador kabadai banyo.
because the issues being doing around has been sorted out, and we are expecting any time from now in next few days to release from the government of India. However, as a state government, we have received the approval for capping norms amount, and we will be releasing 2 months salary for all SSA teacher. And also we have already received the PM Pusat, that means midday meal fund, and for cook come helpers, under from April to June 2023. And also for all types of school, we have already released the salary till November 2023 for all types of school. We are waiting. We are waiting the detailed report from the DERT, because they are the expert and the nodal department to give the best assessment, and what you call the expert, because they are the department. We are waiting for them to give us the roadmap and where is the gap, and what is to be done. I think in next 2 weeks time we'll call a textbook review committee meeting, and we will decide the future course of action, because at the end of the day we want to give the best curriculum, best content to our students.
Ban sungutu bat ban tip hadu katnu ke sarkar jela kala penteri kam yaki skim beper ban kentiu ya karoi kaman haga jela haga si hat majai jo kata yo u vice chairman jo ka niti ayog Usuman Berry ula syong jingelang bat kihe officer jo ka jela ha main secretariat.
Hagani ke jingelang hapreng vice chairman ke niti ayog bat kihe officer ke sarkar ledan lang chief secretary ke jela ba DP walang bat kiwe kihe officer. Hagani ke jingelang le kren bat etai sani halor ki kampen roy ha ke jela kam tam ha ke bedai bat ke jing kentio ke kai pateng ha ki than kaput bat ke jing pentre kam ya ki externally aided projects EAP bat kiwe. Usuman Berry ula penpawe ke jing sengutanat bagi sarkar jela kala persang banwanra ya shibun ki kampen roy ha ke jela bat kam tam ha bagi sarkar jela kala trish tambha ban kentio ke puli puthi bat ke jing penyo ek umbam umdi ha ke jela barok kawe. Usuman Berry uloong baka niti ayok kanetray lang bat kan ajing kersana ke jalan na kebentaban kentiw yaki kampen roy.
Let me just indicate why I was so pleased to visit Shillong and Meghalaya. I'm the vice chairman of Niti Aayog, and the chairman is the Honorable Prime Minister. But the chief minister of each state, lieutenant governor of each union territory, is a member of Niti Aayog's governing council. And so, in a sense, unfortunately, I was not able to meet CM on this trip, but it is part of my duty to visit each one of the states because it's represented on our governing council. It so happens that Meghalaya and Niti Aayog have a very strong relationship in a number of areas, but that relationship is taken forward at various levels, both here by the planning ministry and at the working level. It's relatively unusual for a vice chairman to visit, and so this was a tour de horizon of all the way. Well, firstly, the agenda, the development agenda of the state. Honorable CM called on me in April, to share the development program as it existed at that time, and so this was an update for my benefit on what has been achieved. Yes, we do rankings, but I think that the state is extremely aware both of the areas for attention, but also the difficulties presented by the geography of Meghalaya, the dispersed nature of the population. So I was not here to talk about rankings. I was here to talk about the specific development issues and the way that the state is trying to handle it. Where is Meghalaya doing well, and why is it doing well? And I think, it is really striking what is being achieved in the areas of, education, water. So those are the achievements of Meghalaya. But they are not complacent about it. And as Chief Secretary has said, there's a large pipeline of additional projects that is ready to go if the financing can be made available.
Hagasi ka pembuat part Vice Chairman ka Niti Ayog Usuman Berry rengkat kejing senran lang Chief Executive Member ka KHDC uba peniat sing CM kilalit banjengok ka office terekam jo ke Hima Meliam ka Badan Hamokar. Usuman Berry ule kendo UCM ke Hima Meliam upa IM Ainam Manik CM ki menteri bat ki bakrau betri jo ke Hima. Bat kejing tu ju madet ke Hima Meliam ka daiban snutho bat bantip ikurukam terekam jong ki Hima kam tamak baydai bat ka riti gedustur jong kejat benrio.
My interest arose from for two reasons. One is that in general, Prime Minister Modi has paid a lot of attention to tribal issues. And, tribal communities are a significant part of India's population. They are not always well supported by national schemes. And so for Niti Aayog on a national level, not just on a state level, as it were, being alert to tribal level issues is important, because if you want a development strategy that leaves no one behind, then you do have to worry about I think it's 200 million tribals. That was one concern. So the Northeast is tribal, Meghalaya was tribal. This is my first official visit to any state in the Northeast. And so I was interested in the tribal dimension of Meghalaya. But second, I had become aware, because my wife has a connection with Meghalaya, that district councils have a role, have power. And so I expressed an interest in finding out what their powers are, what their jurisdiction is. This came up in my brief conversation with the CM in Delhi, and that one thing led to another. And basically, they said, well, there are two kinds of structures, Khasi structures. Some are urban, some are rural, and they have their own practices, their own systems. Would you like to meet them? And I said yes. And so, even in 15 or 20 minutes, I've learned a lot about their duties, their powers. I did not prepare myself on the issue of funding. Okay? Ultimately, that's a matter for the state government and not the union government. I did make the point that in some ways, decentralized community decision making is a characteristic of many European countries. And if we have a model in Meghalaya, we should cherish it and learn from it. So that's all I would say.
Da ka jing tumu ban weng ye ki jing ha ka be de ba ka jing mi jong ki nyut ki nyer bat kum nu ban teliat no eki hakala si uble jo kata yo ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kata ka ki HADC kala shong jing yalang bat ki he jong ka World Bank ban shem ye ki sinjam halor ka ni kamat hakasi ka babut kila let ru ban jurep keleng ki jaka ban pet ye ka jing khu jing suba bat kham tam ban te ye ka jaka bret nyut bat ka jaka tliat nyut ne ka Resource Recovery Center Hamaulai Mauro.
Komisi benta banwat gelat kelenti banweng ye ki jinge akabede bat ki nyut ki bami ne ki yeng ki sem bat ki shnong ki tau ka executive committee belelam do ba penyat sing siem jong ka KHADC haka khandai trek risau arhajar arpulai ka lepnong ye ki jingelang bat ki he officer ka World Bank kani ke jinge kendo ka de bal penlong na ka benta banekran halor ka jingbai pisa ka World Bank Ha ka bedai bagajing temu ka KHADC ban penterikam ya ka Khas Hills Autonomous District Council Solid Waste Management Act arajar arpo ka barang syuyo ya kajing bet na ulat kejela. Hagani kajing yalang lawan Malaysian benta da Thierry Martin, Senior Urban Development Specialist, Keith Newman, Waste Specialist International Consultant World Bank, bat Ridhiman Saha, Urban Specialist ke World Bank New Delhi. Nalor Deputy Chief Executive Member ke KHADC ubak pencengan NCM, ki Executive Member ki berkentup ubak Victor Rani bat Taibor Lang Pathau, ubak Mark West ubak Local Consultant ke World Bank, Ibalari Suciang Local Consultant World Bank. Habakrani kelat pathai kubor ubak penyat sing sia mulia tu bagani kejinggalang kalong na gebenta banwan ra iki kendon bat kejing sandor ke bapaka kadang banweng ya kejing akabedai bat kejing lum ya kinyut uli tu bahagani kejinggalang lesya mekarai ban penlong ya ka capacity building program na gebenta bat aji kai haman kisnong lani lengba ke social media bat kilat pathai kubor halor kejing te lakam ya kejing brat pathari kinyut bat kejing penjabo ekabariang Uli tu ru Malaysia mekarai banjit syuk iki katuk kini telegisnong na kebenta ban pentereka mega pilot project na kebenta ke Resource Recovering Center RRC na maradu menta ditang kesnong maulai moro kebelayo ya ke RRC. Kebenta ke council kanang wat syuk ya kisnong ban bu ya ke RRC. Uli tu ru bahag kebedai bagi jeng penterekam ya ke Solid Waste Management Act arhajar arpau nak liang ke council kan bu ya ki rule. La kadai halor ke jinglum ya ke banyut baik kejing dan kunai ki breu ki buan tek lam akor ki jabo kat shabalap.
Te kani ka capacity building program, awareness program ngin ya wat hati nadu ki school, hadi ki colleges, te hadu kini ki jaka yo market area ki baya bunpai, te but ngin ai awareness hakum kita ki rukom. Te kabaar pat habaide bakani ka meeting ngila shimru ya karai ba ngin identify lani ngin jit biang sakat tu kat ni teli ki jaka bangin bangin penolong pilot project ya ka RRC kadika Resource Recovering Center kemun haduk menta ngidang don ya ka Resource Recovering Center jong ka Solid Waste Management Program ke jungi kadang don tang hapok mulai moro Tementa ngindang identify syu sakat tu kat ni kecaka ba kajing terekam jong kani ka RRC kalong ba ha kani ka RRC kalau dan ka construction ki sheds ki repair but ngin khot yaki self group na kitu gishnong but ha kani ka ikaba kan terekam kalong ba andla wanra ki waste na poshnong hang ni ngin segregate ki waste ngin penbentai ki waste kinu ki bapuot kinu bampuot kinu balak ban recycle kum tater kinu balak ban de kelaru te habide ba kenika meeting benta ngila terwa shi ko World Bank ba kan ai jing rap ingi ngin ya trailang nadu ban ai awareness program kila don ya ka jingmang ya ka budget na benta kata but hadu kenika baide ba kenika Resource Recovering Center kaba ngin identify sakat tu kan iteli ki jaka bangin bu ya kini RRC banlong kajing yarap nakamta ki ba kamtam haka Solid Waste
Kani ka kenhon jong ka KHADC bat ka World Bank kilalit banjurip ya ka tem basuk madan reting ban pet ka jinglong jingman jong ka tulong jong ka wakan bat hadian kani kilalit ya kendu kinong alam snong jong ka dor bar snong umpling lapalang nongra bat renja banekran halor ka Solid Waste Management Program Hadian kani kelele group bani kendu ikinong yalam juga snong maulai mauro akabedai bat gejing tumu bantai ya ke Resource Recovery Center aga jaka ke baprajar square feet bat lapen kod ikini kejinit jurep ha Martin ha maulai mauyong kabede jaka berat nyu jogi pat ba ki banasor bat kapsor Habayakran bikinong pathai kubor uba peniat sing sia mulong bagane kejing wan jurep kan yarap iki ban pemi ke hukum baper ki babiang balak ban pentreka ma kini gisngi bat kipor ki banwan Balak milenti bahapok ke Shibanai on yalek bendulum mi kijing tip baro bat ke World Bank kan ai kijing kersan ke Bapura. Ulong ba kijing let jurep hatam basok madan nerting namar kani kadai kejaka ke bapen mi telong jong ke waken. Bat kila syam ba kijing jabok ki wa kadai namar kijing berat jaklia na kisnong sakini jiwa. Uli tu berkili kendo ya ginong ilam senong jaga maulai moro hakabaka ki HEDC kalamang san paulak tengka bansna ya ke Resource Recovery Center bat lebok por bahapo jaga lai benai. Ban pendap dengan projek bat ka council kelas sedang ru ban wat ikiwe ki jaka ban bu ya ke Resource Recovery Center ke Bandarap Shibun hakaban pedunai ke jenglet berat ikinyut hamarten. Hakabayde bat ke jenglet jurep ekamarten Chief Executive Member ka HEDC Ulong ba kajing kun ka HEDC ya kajing jangka solid waste kamde ke masuk. Kan rei ke ba bha rei ken kan randien ba kajing tupu jiki kalong ban wang sisendan ya kajing Ula kentu ya barok lai pongut ki MDC ba kene trailang namar kane kamde ka kam tang jangka executive committee. Kan rei ke kam jangka council barok kawai nag benta ban kajing syakri ke bahatam ya kipat ba.
Ting yo banwan ningkong meneh hapo madan ting ka them basuk kani kesnong ka yakhap bat kesnong jenta mo shiboi bekwi snong kadau ka jinglet jungi hangti po snong madan ting thembasuk kalong ba kani ka catchment area ka don hangtai ka ba penmi ya kani ka telong ka bangi khot ka wa mken te kai kadau bangi let chate namar ba ka jingthmu jong kani ka jingetrelang jong ke HDC bat ka World Bank habai dei bat kani ka solid waste management program tang bakan pe ban wengi ki jing ye kinyut ki ban mi na yang lene national henry ngidon ru ka jing thumu ba kini ki wa ki badan hang ni po social bat shakhap sor bakin long ki wa ki ba khoi basuba kumban shupen kan mau ngila mat jing bha ki pai ba shlong nakadaw ga jing jakhlia jong kawa ungkhra kabami na adu nang teina po khli nong thmai ter dam thring kapoi shapo lapalang renja umpling bat katut shapo urkaliar bat kapoi shapo wam khra ter ni ibaka kawa ka long khsya ka ba jabo kaba ar pat kani kawa musharpi kaniru dikawai kawa kabadan po sosyolong kabla penjabo shisha but kani ka ikai ka bangi ngim kwa ba kiwai pat kiwa ki badang khoi kum kawa umken kawa umngot but kani kawa umyam kabawan nang taina po stan soyong kan jakhlia kum kini kiwa te nomor takadaw nakalyang jungi ni yo ban yalek lekat bat ki official jong ka World Bank menne ban yo jingmut ban yi hasait ye ke baca namar takadaw ka executive committee jungi men hakani ka wain na ka program ka baningkong ka program ka ba ningkong ka ba bidai ka solid waste management ngila ai kali syakumba arpho tamteli ki dorbashnong kum ka dak ka jing sedang ni kene ka kam te tangka jing ai ka kali shi ki dorbashnong ban wenge jing jong nyut kampala banlong ngidong don kam banwat ke kilak klenti ke kita ki permanent solution bangila banya trelang bi dor basnong ban weng shi sunan ni gene jing mdei tang ban khuat ka snong ringi hap perkhat ladala dep lum yo nyut nasnong shaikin bread kumno kin treat dan kumno kin process ye kini ki solid waste ki bami na ki snong ki yeng ki jungi te ngila ya yo jingmut shibun bahamane da ka jing ekran ba ki dor basnong bat ki nong ket kam ju ki dor basnong ba per but ngila wanru apo mauro kawai na ka pilot project jong kanika resource recovery center kaba ni la dep mang ya kapisa ka ban penlut kumbasan pulak tam na kamta kani but haga jinghe jong ka jaka kumba prahajar square feet kermen scam bakani pilot project kan long ka ba siswa bat ni bu jing thumu ba hapo kani ka lai benai unla ban pendap ini pilot project ban sedang ya kam te kmi lenti ba ngila sedang ban jungok ru la sedang ban wat ru ban identify skiwi wi jaka ki bangila ban bu ikini ki RRC
Kumsi benta bandawa na Vice Chancellor jong kanihu ba uday ban lumno mador ya ka jingelang jong ka Academic Council ha ka sipele jong ka tayo ginong hikay jong ka school ba nihu hapo kalama jong ka North Eastern Hill University Teachers Association kata ka nihu ta kilapan long ya ka jingeki da ka bayat pat ba ha ka ni school ba
Kinong yalam bat kidkot ke Nehu Teachers Association Nehuta kila sedang ya kene jingat pat ba na ke Central Library bat kila penkot akamat jok office rekam Vice Chancellor ke Skul ba Nehu Profesor PS Shukla. Ban pensawa jam ya kejing dawa badai ban lumno ya kejing elang bekerke jangka Academic Council jong ke Skul ba. Hagini kejing ki ke berjaya lawan bani shimbenta di kidkot ke Meghalaya College Teachers Association ke Nehusu kinong tre jong ke Skul ba Nehu ke KSU bat kisam lapuli. Kesur jong kejing dawa kalami bau Vice Chancellor ude ban lumno mardor ya kejing elang jong ke Academic Council kenang magid khot jong ke Academic Council kinyo ban yatai sani ha kabede ba kejing long jingman ha ke skul ba Nehu bat kejing pentrekam ya ka National Education Policy arajar arpau. Presiden ke Nehuta Profesor Lakhon Kama ulong bagi nohikai keladak ban kentu ya Vice Chancellor ban lum kerki kejing elang jong ke Academic Council. Nrai Vice Chancellor ula pen ibor bat kentat ikene kejing kerpat. Kumta kinohikai kila syemekarai ban penelong da kejing yaki. Uli itu bajan barok kinohikai kiba na ka Shillong Campus, Tura Campus bat ki college baper. Kiba esok bat ke sekolah ba Nehu. Kila phak jeng thok jo Vice Chancellor ban penelong no kejing elang jong ke Academic Council. Profesor Lakhon Kama ulong bagi nohikai kim de kile ano. Kumta kin omlet rung jubor ka kamera terekam jong Vice Chancellor. Nrai kum kinohikai ki berani ke jingkit kliek kila syuyang habar ka kamera jong Nrai lada ke jingkit ki kala poi syaka semi final kin sarung syaka kamera terekam jong bandawa sisnan bu udai ban chong that no kum Vice Chancellor ke skul ba Nehu. Kinong alam ke Nehuta kila penpau baga jingle bampat ya Vice Chancellor ya ka jingkar pat ka pen ibo Vice Chancellor usngo ba Nehu ka de skul ba jong shimet.
Of all the members who care for education. As Professor Kumar had said, unity is strength. We need that strength because, as he has also said, that we have sleepless nights. Why? What is the reason? The reason is we want to save education. We want to save education. We want to save Nehu. It is not that we are against NEP. And the press people, the media persons, you know about it. We have voiced it again, time and again, that we are not against NEP. But what we are against is the lapses and the serious flaws. Where is the rule of law? Why there is so much of violation? Why is it that we are giving him so much space that he would thrive on this? And as Professor Kumar had said, he is to function as a VC. And as a VC, we have stakeholders. Why is it that he's not listening to the stakeholders? That is a point to be noted. Another point is when the Academic Council is that body that has to give the approval. And he has also mentioned about the serious flaws. What I would say is that we are justified. Know that we are justified in our fight. And we should not let the fight to stop today itself.
As the MCTA, we are here basically with regard to one point that has been mentioned in the dossier, that is with regard to the illegitimate implementation of the NEP, which we have raised our voice right from the 1st of August 2023. We don't want to reiterate the points that have already been shared by Professor Kumar, but from the MCTA, we would like to remind the VC that the VC are not the bulldozer. You are here to solve our problems. Instead, you have become a troublemaker. Because of the problems that you have created, we have come here to solve the problem. And still you are not listening to us. A person who does not know how to listen does not deserve to be in the seat of the VC. So therefore, our message is loud and clear that if you cannot accommodate the demands that we have made right from the 21st of July, the representation that we have given, to take back or to change the notice that you have given for the implementation of the NEP, which you have done so illegitimately, And now that you are not listening to the demand made by the Nehuta to convene a special academic council meeting, you don't have any right any longer to be in this chair.
And we will not allow this. We will not allow this. Let's be clear. Kyrene will not what Hitler died long time ago. We don't want an avatar of Hitler around this campus. We have not seen and we don't want. And that's where it is important for all of us to make sure that our voice is heard. We don't want any. We are not the militant organization that will enter his room and then thrash him out. That we cannot do. We are a responsible teachers. That's why we are talking. Standing, if we are not interested, we can enter there. This is not the time. Time will come when we need to enter and probably enter through his door. That we will do maybe in a semi-final or final match. Today is quarter-final or pre-quarter-final match, I would say. And let this be very clear. We are not going to be back down. We are not scared because we are right. If you are wrong, you will be scared. If you are right, why should you be scared? He has violated everything else. What is there for me to be scared of? And that's precisely, I think, the message must go loud and clear to his mind that you are playing with fire. And when you are playing with fire, if you don't know how to douse it, I think better you avoid. You will burn yourself to ashes. And this is precisely what we have to. The message that we wanted to give from this agitation is your days are numbered if you don't rectify yourself as far as conducting as a VC is concerned. Because this community will not tolerate anybody sitting in that office and trying to sit here and decide academic matters. Academic matters has to be decided in the academic council. NEP is an academic policy. Indeed, we told him on his face, tell me whether NEP is an academic policy or not. If yes, read the ordinance. It says on academic matter or academic policy, academic council is supreme.
Right. Now, what we are trying to protest here is the dictatorial attitude or, of the posture taken up by the VC. As has been rightly pointed out by the secretary, we have exhausted all possible means to settle this matter in a very democratic process. All possible means. Let me tell you, teachers, especially professors from the universities, even from the college, doesn't like to march around and shout slogans. We have exhausted all possible means. But if you drive us to the wall, we will fight back. We will fight back. So this is a fight against, right, justice. We are not scared because we know we are right. Now I want to tell you one thing. This guy comes all the way from Uttarakhand, from an agriculture university. He flouts all the rules and regulations of Nehu ordinances. And we, the Northeasterners, supposedly docile, keeping quiet, happy with whatever we are having, the small breadcrumbs that we get, we keep quiet. And this guy one day will go from here and he'll tell what? वो लोग को कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, जो भी कर लो, वो लोग चुपचाप बैठता है.
Da ka jing tmu banele ban rat deng khong ye ki jing sni ki bami na ka jing kan re jung drak sa ka jela ha ka si pele jung ta yo menteri ka tna social welfare jung ka jela u ba polung do ulalum ye ki jing elang bat kinong elam jung ka Shillong All Faith Forum kata ka SAFF baniata sani halor ka jing tmu jung ka sarkar jela bania khun persha ye ka jing di ba ka jing de drugs hapo ka jela Meghalaya.
Hagani ke jingalang lawan bani shimbenta de kinong yalam ke Shillong All Faith Forum hagaba kiliatai bat ajing mut banile persya ayu drugs ubalakta aki yang kisam bat yak emlang saalang brokowe. Habai kran bikin patai kubor uba apol lengdo ulong ba gejing tmu jong gejing yalang kalong bagi nong yalam niam kikwa ban ai gejing kersan bat gejing etrelang bat kesorkar jela ban te lakam bat ban pasuto igi pat ba gejing ma ka baap na kejing kendrai udrak sa kejela. Ulong balaterwa ban penlong ye kejing yalang bat kejing pensngutu pat ba akabaan penyadan bentalang yaki kena askul gi bapuli haka kelas 10 hado kelas 12 bat lapen kamti ho secretary kenega forum uba armajau ban etrelang bat katnat social welfare haka bakin let ekalang ki skul bat bakin pa ki kena askul manishim benta haki seminar bat ki program baper. Menteri Sorkar ulong bayakum kini gijingalang ba gijing pensngutu pat ba kin saakut tangha kanong ba Shillong. Hendrai onlet ru chakalang kijaka khamtam kijaka ki bajur gajing di bat gijing khayi yo drugs. Bat ke Sorkar marwei kan omla bantek lakam ya gijing kendrai drugs klem gijing yo gijing kersan kabarat ba na ki emlang salang.
The fight against drugs so soft in a moral and spiritual way want to also take up this issue, which is a social evil which is plaguing the state and is a major issue of the state. I think all of you agree. So we met the Honorable Minister, and who is also very keen to eradicate and take steps. So we would like to just assist and take up some programs which we have submitted to Honorable Minister.
Dian ka jing slop nilai pembek bakin don ki program ki banang ni syakmat ka ponyong ke calendar of activities but yakini ki kam ngin sedang nadu ka santerik jong nok pra mentak senyam coba kini ki nongilam di kenun nyam daga jing kerjaan jong ka department ka jong ni social welfare ngin irap yaki bakin keren bakin selok pat kebasan spa mut ki kena school na ki kelas 10 kelas 12 but kini kejingnya selok kendan kini ki riu champang iri resource persons ki ban batai ki ban sensitize ki ban smuthu jimut ki champang kejima jong uniu drugs kawai dia kebentar ke bagi laai ya ke kedin jong ke jing kular ke jongki kolong ba kin grand ru yang ini ke subject para bor na laki jongki jaka mani ke la kolong laki yang mani la kolong lagi mandir kat na ke bade bakin kan jepangan ni ke jingma bat bakin bersodu kamtam iki sama dikata ke assurance ni ayo anaki
Bapol kung bagi sotu mangi gini kinong di droksi gini ki kena ki bela jengai nak ayung mani ki bela jengai no blei ki sedang bele kung gini ki kam te kum ki tu ki kena apa la lesi ki de ki kena benong kena surak ma kum ki tu pat
ngin reach out sekiru kuma ongi ki mentan ge kawai kalong ba ki ni ki nongilam niam kin drop ya ka calendar of activities but padang njong kita activities akan tukru ya ka ba ni ya kendo ni selok ya ki bakum kita ki kena samla ki ba ladan ki surap ki ba mlik phai chu cheyeng di kataru long sibenta jong ni ka kape
ha kawai pat kaliang uba pol lengdo ubalong menteri ketna jong okai perthai ulepente bagajala Meghalaya kan penlong yak International Tourism Mart hagasian ke benengkong Bad yakania an penlong Hakalarity Center ke badan New Shillong nadok arpuai terek hadok arpulai terek unai weng. Uloong bayakani kata masa nuan player da menteri ketenat sarkar pedeng ubah kami ya ketenat jung okai perthai uji ke ready bad ulepan paru ik jingkerman baleng bakani kata masa kandon ke jingwane shimpenta ne kejala katan stelam mingi bad na keleng kiri.
Haswa bangini kmi susu iki kubor kijangi ngini phai so si por kini kijing pen bana.
A person can get infected with HIV through unprotected sex with an infected partner, sharing of needles with an infected person, transmission from infected mother to fetus, and from infected blood products. You can prevent yourself from contracting HIV or AIDS. Be faithful to your partner. Use condom for safe sex. Use only HIV-screened blood or blood products. Do not share needles, syringes, blades, razors, etc. Visit your nearest integrated counseling and testing center to know your status. Protect yourself and your loved ones. To know more on HIV or AIDS, call toll-free number 1097. Know your status. Be educated about AIDS. Issued in public interest by the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society.
Are you having trouble in having baby? Nearly 27.5 million couples in India actively trying to conceive suffer from infertility. Cherish your dream of parenthood with us, Janitfa IVF Center. Now we are in your city, Shillong. our state-of-art assisted reproductive technology and our team of doctors and embryologists will guide you to realize your dream of parenthood. Consult Dr. Arpita Sharma, Chief IVF Consultant, Janitva IVF Center, Guwahati. For further details, please contact www.janitvaivf.com or contact Janitva IVF Center, Shillong.
Haba biang segi bentar jong kubor. Kawai kalong kemi ke bana kasenong nong scan hak si belang jong tayo kala pentip bakala sak tombor hak sangut kirang ba hak singi ublei jong tayo ke bala dep. Handrai haba kala let ban ujor segi pulet halor kani ki jingja ki pulet kila pelat no ikini ki nong tombor bat lap hak pen bane ka bane suk no. Kani kalong kemi kala pen pau ba kam kwa bane suk namar ba kini ki brio ki dan jeng tumu ban pen mensaw ya ka.
Ikong sahetina yau em na kusnong nong scan haka khatwai trek urisau arajar apulai. Ilwan bani kendo iklat thai khobor ban pentep halor ka jingja sha thombor ka belaja haka khandai trek urisau hakisan ngot kirang ba abriu ke bela suba bakila songshit khau yang haklenti ban lek syarat nong scan. Karkum gejing thu jingkong sahetina yau em kani kejingja kelaja ka khandai trek urisau arajar apulai. Kat bai dang wan nak snong tang riang banit dan kam sekiyeng jong parlok haglenti bandet syarat nong scan. Kani kejing syak thombor kelami hadian ba ini ilong kene laki kelari kini kisan ngot namar bagi keran daki pian ki baklam akor. Bat hang ne kini ki beriau kelami nak kali bat syok badat diki arngot kilong kene ya bat ya wei urang ba beriau ubaran lang bat ki. Ikong sahetina ile tu bahadian ba ilalik ben ujor syaki pulit. Nama kejing tombor kini kibriu kam dai syok tang namar ba kila syong syet kau yang. Unda kidon jing temuru wat bantiat bat pen mensau haduk bagi dapanan kam dagi nar kali bat gi bitor kiat. Bat hadian kini ki pulik klio akam no ikini kibriu ke badan keti. Ndrai kila pelak no padiki tang hadian kesisngi rengkat kejing ai jing mod banekar nesuk no. Ndrai ini long kami ilakan tak ban pedang ya kani. Da ka ba ilakan no ba kini kibriu kidon kejing temu ban shime kejing im jongki. Na kaliang ikong sahetina ilapan pau ya kejing sengu seir. Hadian bagian kibriu kila light not na patok. Kumta ilakan tu iki para long kemie bagian ai kejing rap ya i bat iki parlok na kini kibriu.
Kwa ban wan hang ne pan ni rap kumi phi mangalong dari bentai kam don jing rap na in ero. Namar hakas ni sonde jan miet san meje long ya lenti ngawan nasional tangriang. Te dalawan hang ta te ngamut bandit jan kam ngayeng kali hang ta te ngamut bandit jan kam yeng tak brio te don kita san ngon ya kremsi ke kemakor te ngapan ngalai sngo dak skor te ngakum kren ge ngong ni belai mo hadukan ne yang ikin te kena pim don su kijing buram tang skum tahi wan keta bal keti uang menong ikin kamakor nakum tahi ngar ong wat kren mo kren dak tin mo julin mar keta dak ti te ine pat i ong no yang belai pitong habang yo sngo te tang kum tahi isim na ini ila bom la yesyo la tak ti la ngut sangut idon te sudon bok ineru kila aksi hi de kila mut ban penyam ai tho ba kila mut hi ban penyam tang bi lai phet no yo ban da nyak ti to we brio ti lai phet kila mre no tar ki be biang kila tiet bad uding bar kila pen pai bad ublor biar ki mut ban penyam ti ne la yo phet no da kum tahi ne la di snong da hadin ki wan pai biang na poi hta ki wan bot biang ki da cross ndon bat ka ban ki blok nang ta ki sei biang ini ila syo ban hang ta bun balang don bun ba obriung ta ko snong te kimla ban yarap menum nuru te ura bat weldren ban tien te don bok ba hak ta ka por hi long don lai mut ki ban yarap te taung ta hi ngirung yo lek no sing tang kat ta hi
te kita ki briu ki dinai
kita ki ba
besok ki ba abis
ki ban snong hi don ban mau dang don ban no sken
itu ki briu
itu ai
donc kim kli ke daw bagi liam ta ta syukia tim si ngai pi
Kam dan daw na kam klihir tang batang kam tahi ngakren tang sikentin nak kren isu. Nagaliang jonga ti long banga ngam dan no irap nei tenga kerpat kum yo dan ganu kasing long kumi ne ginu irap bakin irap lemten ta jonga tang kam tahi.
Walabun kile yalap ya kejung dan kam ban lek khu lek suba. Hendrei ko bi kejung jaga bala penkendet iki pat ba jong ka snong nong thamai Ribhoi district. Haba kiriu baman kila lek ban berat ya kawai ke masih ke bala yap. Ha kawa umran ka bade ke telong umbam umdi jong ki babun teliki snong ki thau.
Kakam berat pathar ya kimrat ke belayap harut kilenti dagi brio di baklam akor nang beteng ha ka bala lapat se kawai ke masih balayap ya ka bala berat pathar ha kawai kawa umran hajan kasnong nong thamai. Kabaderu ketolong umbam umdi na kabentaki po teliki snong ki bahap apo kathai nong po. Ya kene ke masih balayap bat bala berat ha kene ke jaka lalap nengkong dagi riu pat ba bat hadian na kaliang kinong elam ke RBYF bat FKJGP nong thamai unit. Kilalit jurep kene ke jaka ban lap ke jing shisha ha ke ba kene ke masih kabala berat kelane ahlor ke cek dam jong ketolong umbam umdi ha ke bala lap ru iki telai balate kene ke masih. Ki nong elam ka RBYF lengba UI Kersian Finance Secretary ke nong thamai unit bat usyam makri Presiden ke FKJGP nong thamai unit kila penderem jur ya ki brio ke beladan ketiban berat pathare kene ke masih halor ke jaka kabalong ketolong umbam umdi jeng isnong kathai nong po. Kabala ban bu jeng maru iki pat ba ki bap dan kam ya kene ke Kila penpauru bala subajor baik kene ke masih lawan ra nas ki wei pagi jaka. Dari hadian bakane ke masih kalayap no ki brio bamla bani thu kila berat no eka kene ke jaka klam da perkhat pad ke jeng ma kabala ban bu ki brio ki bap dan kam ya kene ke Kinong elam ke RBYF bat FKJGP nong thamai unit kila bu senon ke jeng maham kabateng persya iki brio bajumlian ban le yakum kini ki kam ban berat iki marat ke belayap harut kelenti ki sengkien bat ki wei ki jaka bat kala maham belada ke seng kalap ya kini kin ngat ha ke jeng syak penstam ke bateng La yo jeng te bru beladan pat ki brio ki belalet tam ke ke masih ne ke jaka ke bala berat balat tep no yaka.
Usembut Menteri Rang Bak Kejelau Bak Pres Tun Ten Song ula pentim batang surang onsa sedang no mardor ban maramot ya ke surak ba National Highway ke ban Riau bat kaladan ru ke jeng terwa ban snano da ke surak folen ha ka than Sonapur ban pensuk e kali kawan jogi pat ba.
Uba Preston Ten Song ulong ba kesorkar jela kelashim kia halor ke jeng sniu jong surak ba National Highway ban Riau bat hau benai belalet Ulalet Chong Jingyalang wadu Secretary Katanat Road Transport and Highways wadu Chairman ka National Highway Authority of India bat kini kilapan tikena bagian sedang no mardore ke kam ban maromot ke surok. Ndrai namar ke jing ba mailat ke beneng kumta mariarang onsa sedang no ban maromot ya kene ke surok ba. Ulong ba kene ke surok ba National Highway ke ban Riau kamtam na klik riat charum kalong ke belas nio ba bat lapha bele jurip ke surok nado ke MLA katan u Secretary ke PWD u Chief Engineer ke PWD rengkat bat ke officer jong ke National Highway Authority of India. Bat gladap ban ai ki kaipot. Ha ke bedai ba ke jing tawa kendo ha ka tunnel bat ke surok ke bah Sonapur. Uba Preston Ten Song ulong ba keladan ke jing terwa ban snai ke surok folen ha kene katan. Bat ha ka bedai bat ka tunnel an bu ke we ke kenuan ke bakerpang ke ban pet bat pen khot kene ke jaka ke bajudan ke jing tua ke ba kha. Ula kentui ki pat ba bagian yai sya shipor namar ba amla ban maromat ke surok ha ka porslap hendrai tang curang ke sorkar kan pet ban pentikena ba ka National Highway Authority of India kadai ban pentre stat ke kam ban maromat ke surok ke balas sniu.
Kanya ka han kaya kabudon ko to ka state ka National Highway 6 mar ko surok class news wa plak la dawa bu san maror kaya ka ba ka sorkar la le alor kanya mar ba kanya ka surok menta banyak banyak kala pendik si saya ke pa ba rabu saya marok bujnya
Pri akabide bat kanya ka National Highway 6 kam tam na clear chati sharum ka jing sniu jong surok ka bla sha kai ngalap ha bakin yalik inspection spot inspection lo nadu ka local MLA nadu secretary Bludi chief engineer Bludi rengkat ru baki officials jong National Highway la dep ya kata kila ai lut ke detail report nado sodong tenang ta last but tam mana ka benai ka dep ngadon meeting badu secretary jong ka Ministry of Transport ang taya u chairman jong ka na hairu nilai shong meeting bat ha kata ka ski ni shong meeting kila asyo yang ba kings nang no ekani bat kila de engage kita ki kontraktor ke bat trade ten rei snowbox nomor ba kan ka beden ka patailang kadai bitang na ka daw jong den ten rei mariarang pila suruh kan repair surok habang surok katang national highway kabayaki surok kabayaki kalihat ban ong hipor slap por ba long por ba kabeneng kamlong pila suruh kamde ka basuk namar ba maria pendap maria slap maria rongko te kumbalong menta kabangang apa ban ong kalong ba wat ka honorable high court ru masangi i ka oda kiai de long kumong pi kalong beyond ya kejingla jong ka sarkar India lane mangiru ban ong kumno nomor ba kaneka kapor kabeneng kaneka soma kadang trei bat kamtam ngiyo i janman kasni kaslap tenai maria rang gane nagaliang jokya ya official jong nisi jong road transport kumju nagaliang jong national vehicle ai ka service ba kids dang no ya gane ka repair
Sonapur part ng ibang turo kasi kan may nakajuntuan ng kilo katur ko de goy mo ka sunte ya ko menta ko ay ko
ya katur pi nomor ba menta ka wei ka proposal kolong bakin le ya fullin dengan patla ban ong ko fullin kan ya nang no ten rei ha ka be dei bat katuk tonal ba dei katuk caka batwa te ya katur la kan tup lang ha ka ne ka ba kin ai ka wei ka dedicated team kaban monitor bat kaban khoi ban pusumba ya katu tonel tu kejaka ka belum very sensitive nang nation man jagatar lahap lang hakaneka arrangement ka pila penting
de kai ga jun ko ko pigan ni pai pa mong so
pi ka bang amut ban ong lo wei te long pi ka bang kerpat long toya sa support nambar ngong pi kam long kum kawi ka isu ka bang ila ban le poslap potlang poliur por kiam kam lele ten rei kan ni ka deka surok pi repairing surok la kum no poslap hi kam le ka masuk de kabang asuka ban kerpat kalong batoy ya sa sitom sipor namar bala nur ka bakhandu ka slap ngai desta mantau nai lain nang tak lalak de bat ngin pek bat pentik naru ba kana hai ka National Highway Authority of India kade ban trei ka kam ban pen state ya ka kam da ka takan ni balik
Kaseng Nyutrap Integrated Territorial Organization kataka hito hakasipale jo kata yo kala dawana ka sarkar jala baka dei bantau no ya ka reservation policy ni ka policy trekam banbu baha kerpang na ka bentaki samla pulia jong ka jala
Kaseng hito hapo gejingilamu ba don bok dekar kelalit ban IT de kedorkas ha ka menteri ketenataan ke jala Meghalaya i Dr. Ampurin Lingdo ha ka bakla dawa bak sarkar ka dei bantau no ya ka but trekam banbu baha kerpang ya kejaka pulia nak bentagi samla ha kejaka pulia sarkar kentup ya kahaya bat professional studies namar gom bagalong menta kejing baha igi samla benet pulia leng baka baha sarkar kalong gabam yahap u president khito lekentu igi sarkar jela bagade men Joshua da ordinance bara shwapan sedang kejing pulia ha kasnam manwan ki head jong ki department ki de bendon ni reservation policy ka basai kedar akabedai bat ka admission ni kejaka pulia jong sarkar kentup ya kahaya bat professional studies Ubak dan bok dekar ulong banakaliang jangka menteri sarkar kelapan pau hakmat jangka seng bahkan sara ekene kejing dawa syok menteri rang bak kejela. Uli itu bakahito kelapan jing pencai nak sarkar jela kebaidai bat karukom baha ak pulih putih. Nrai namar kejing pulam ke sarkar jela kelapan long ya kahito banlet mudoi syekayang syari. Bat lengba kejing tuklar jangka yang syari bak sarkar jela lengba ketenataan kelapan pau bak kejing baha kerpang hak pulih putih. Kabakentup ya kahaya bat professional studies la pentrekam kat kum kenong rem jangka state job reservation policy.
Dei halor bangiyo ikane kasti tingi tho ikane kasti kabani I suggestion chaka government banang ni shikman habaya dei bakata ka baha pule jongkinik malik pule doktor engineer bakile jibe habaya dei bat ka baha pule tingi la kren ka basai ngila koru ba kakum ka reservation policy namariya ka reservation for educational purpose ka baha pule klem bekon thop tingi nakaleng ka jungi ngismu kya te kat badan don kadang ya keren kata expert committee ni tho chaka government banang ni shakman habe dei bat ka baha pule kindai na ban ai te kanjan notification lane ba kendra ha ke cabinet ta ba pas ka ordinance ka ban riu banai khnang ba ki badai hok ban yo ban dei pule ye ka reservation haka bha pule te je kata kena kalian go jong i laong ba Indra show CM banyak keren ya kan ni ban pensngong ba ka ai ka mangi kwa ba ka jing dawa go jong i te na kalian go jong i ngila keren bete ko basai atau ka sarkar hi kamla ban le ai ban ra ban snar ke kenta ke kenja polisi habe dei ka bah pole tangim ban sengin selek biang sayang besar sesien kat kum hadin bengyo jubab kat kum kanika hajing suggestion ni ya ka sarkar jilla te habe dei hi pat kanika ka bah pole ka reservation on educational purposes tangi ban podian bat ngin song thai jeru namar ba pila i ngelai ya bat siang ka shari te jagat tei ka ban nang ni sakmat pat ngin ngor ban ngin putdian ru bat nginum ailat kan pa pe tang bakam don kata ka polisi notification men ka niru kami ka to mo kata ka PR jong tu khna ubom deyu nong song jong bedela ndri na ka por tharai pila hi baki practice ya kata ka conventional practice habe dei ka bha pule pim phadju sngom kan don kata ka PR kan dei go past time kan ni ka reservation hi hapo jela jungi long kipat ba ki de ban tip bakalong highly illegal Nomor ba klaim shimla kuntuk hapo jongka reservation policy 1972 te kai ka ba ka government kade ban shna ban kran ai ban le halor kan ne ko policy lom ta ko man bale chakut ni ya tung kho nomor ba ne kampat long an kampat don kano kata kanja notification kalian ko government
Haga wei pat kaliang kahito kalapan jing pencairu ni Dr. Amprin Lengdo haga bedei bagi jing pensange no jing penmenai ke result jong ke mid level health provider haga kontrak bancakri haki health and wellness center bat sub center haga jela lengbaga national health mission kabla penmi ak arpulai terik unailar ke senam arajar arpulai bat kilebuk jing keliru lanuk sarkar jela kan penmi ak result ka ba thamai kaban kentup lang yaki jat penriau garo
Kanyo Trap National Achik Movement kata ka HANM haka si pelai jong kata yo kalapen bena bakan lit penlongi ke jing ki ha jantar mantar kabadan hanong ba Delhi hakalai teri unai wing arhajar arpulai bandawan ke sarkar pedeng ban pentri kamno ya ka inline permit haka jela Meghalaya bat ban pendrong no ya ka tien khasi bat garo haka 8 schedule jong kariti sencar jong kari
Habayekran bagi nong patai kubor presiden ke HANM uba lamprang karbani. Ulong bagajing temu keseng ban penlong ya kejing ki akan nong ba Delhi kalong ban pensngau sakasakar pedeng ya kejing dawa kejat benriu bagajela ban pentri kamno ek inline permit ban pendrong ya kaktian kasi bat garo ha ke 8 schedule kariti sensyari bat ban penbek no uput usam pedeng kejela Meghalaya bat Assam. Ulong ba ke HANM kalapan jingbet ban penlong arsni ya kene kejing ki Ndrei kibor sarkar kila ajing bet ban penlong ya kene kejing ki tang sisngi kata hakalai terik unai wiang ha jantar mantar. Uba lamprang ulong bah kejing let cha Delhi ule kendo UMP Rakesh Sinha banekran lambat menteri rang ba adu kari Narendra Modi halor gimat jing dawa jigipat ba kejela Meghalaya. Bat kilalit ru ban IT ke dorkas ke office trekam jong ke presiden kari office trekam menteri rang ba adu kari bat ciki menteri jong ke sarkar pedeng. Kasang HANM kelai wer kinong syong syong kejela kumju itu ke badan Delhi bakin wan bani shimbeta hakini kejing ki hajantar mantar.
Kung kaseng kelayo bandia kendo ya siwon ki ofisar sarkar khampam ya u Rakesh Sinha u MP jongka Raja Sabha maka BJP u baderu u insat dia keno is Broadway hayeng sa ju bat u ngilayakan halor ki likely ki mat ki jura ki bakta ya ka jala Meghalaya bat ya ka berdiri di Broadway hakne ke jing kendo kaseng kala kentu yu ban ya kren bat menteri rang bado jong kari India u Narendra Modi bat Amit Shah bakin burong ya ka rai jong ke jing dorbar ka jala hak ba barok ru pungut kila pas ya ka resolution hak arpnyo terik unailor jong usnem arhajar katpra ban penrong ya tin khasi bat karo hak kernget ka ba pra jong ka riti sensyar jong kari India kaseng kalai kendru ya karai jong ke yin dorbar thau an kejala ban pentrai kam ya ka Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act 1873 lane kata ka ILP namar kum ke jaj benreu bat kum ki reulum kane kejala makhrian di don kam bha ya kane ka an khamtam kumno ban yada na ka jing wanrong kertlep jong ki breu na bari khamtam ki khar muslim nari Bangladesh bat ka wei pat ka mat ka ba kham kongsan ka banglaikan kalong halor ka jing ya penbek ya uput usam deng ka jala mekhlea bat ka asam ka dang yak sai menta hakne jing kren ka seng ka kren sai ba don kam ya ka jing rap lem jong ka sarkar pedeng nang te po Delhi ban pensuk ya ka ne jing penbek pot
da ka jing chmu ban so thu ya ka jing yo lum khajna jo sarkar jilla leng ba ka jing tho team le ni ka tir ha ka si hat ma jai jo ka yo ka seng new trap National Youth Front kata ka HNYF kalale ye kendu ye kinong elam jong ka Khasi Hills Archery Institute ha ka jaka siat khnam ka badan hapulo
One teng. Hah? One teng. Berapa penyak? Penyak ni ni. Gimana ka? One pek ikut selat kan. Ni mentah kadang ka iu hang teh po. Kot hang teh mo ka kam ni. Markan ni ka office jong komisioner. Nado uf nama wei. Kami bat sangat ke setiap. Ndrei ngi apa ni ko sana po ko. Ndrei final. One magistrate ni mo.
Kaseng HNYF East Khasi Hills sapo ka jingelam uba bless dakar kalale ye kendo ikinongelam ka Khasi Hills Archery Institute Khasi ban penpau bakimdan kejing persya ne ban khang ye kani kejing kamai jakapo da kabasiat tim Ndrai kalong tang ban chus ngotho ba ban yo kejing tep ka baidai ba kejing yo khajana jang sarkar na marbon sen ka sarkar jela ka jukam bakam judan kata kejing yo khajana naki dukan tho tim uba bless dakar ulong baha kani kejing ye kendo ikinong peniat tim kiladon ikot kisla bat ka license ka babiang ndrai ka sarkar kam syamla ailat ban pentemai ka license kabala penlong pat ikinong peniat ba kinitra ekene kamat sya kaying bishar Ndrai kaying bishar ka klem penmi satya ya kanu kudu hukum ban pensange ano ban siat tim lane ban omsha asyo ban penmi nambar ule tho bakinong peniat tim nado balakut ka license sa kasnam arajar ka andrio ki jusiu bet ka khajna hadu menta sya ka sarkar jela ka HNYF kalapen sngoru syakinong peniat tim bagi babon gidukan tho tim ki dei ba peniat di kibreu gibam de kitara jela ki bambiang ye ki kot kisla bat kabalong bean bat kani kala penlong yang kaseng bahkan omla bancus ngap nepet kai bagi beriu ke banabar ke jela bagi nawan kamai spa bat kani lut ya ke pliang ja jong kejat benriu
tina ki ong ba nadu arjar khan riu kalaisen jong ki kalakut bat ki sedang ban renew kalaisen nei nakaliang jong ka government ka klem aila ki ban renew ya kalaisen tingi la kalipat ki habai dei pat mar kai ka jing wan jong kum kaseng hang ni ikhlaman ban persya inu ikhlaman ban khang ye ka jakpo jongno ti ni wan hang ni naru nongkong hi ka ga bang hi kwa mane kren be jaga revenue ya ka jingyo jongga sarkar namar ba ka sarkar ka kren na ka por bam judan re ka ta revenue ti ndang ila ikendu ya ki officer ki fair ka tax ru ti mentang ila lej ru shawat chapo ka new trap ba ka don sa wei ru ka jaka set timang tai bat ki khot ki member sungi ki lej hang tu ban keren ban hang tung i ka license ka don rei ngila poi hang ni pat markhmat menta ban kendu presiden jo ka khasi bat secretary rengkan ki member ki ban chapo kai ki jing keren jungi hapo ka long bangi kelibe ningkong ka ba ka sarkar hadin ba ka government khamaila ki ban renew ka license bat kiru hakata ka por ki ong ban ngilas move no shakut ban ya hakaan ban keli naga ika daw ba ka sarkar kam sya ra ban renew ka license ti hadin katang ila keliru hadu menta ka jing siat kaya bet hang ni nang ta ka jing nombor tim ru umi bet hang ni ti nakaliang ka jong ki ong ba hadin bangila ya shaku sya kakut bat ka kut ka khlem pen mi kan no order man pen sange ne ban num sha man siat ne num sha ban pen mi number re gum kata kam don re na kaliang ka kut ka khlem khang ban ya je ne ka kam ki la ya bet nang ta hadi nga kali bang ka revenue ki ong hadu nadu 8000 khan riu hadu 8000 ar fulai ki siwia ka revenue sa government tinaka 8000 ar fulai ka la ya je ki sapo high court bat gila ya thuru ba man ha ka shipos ngi ngilej ban hering hapo court tingi keli kan ka kes ka joki hatu kadang slam ne kadang kala jan kut ne nakaliang ka joki yong kadon ka final hearing ka makin lej apo kut try last ki ong ngi mentau banai langi kirai ban sya penrem ne kirai ban yo biang ban penon kam ye kan ka jaka ban penon kam biang ban ya je kan ka kam ka joki tin nakaliang ka joki ru gila pen i kan ka order ka mi po high court tingin sa ai fish ki media ja ai fish ki press ban page kan ka order tin nakaliang ka joki ru ha kadon hapo high court ngin haburam huru ya ka ain markarai ke dei ka khadu hi karai jong ka kut la karai ba ki bakin job ne kin rem ya kata te nakaliang jong ngim tip dei ka ai ka ba jing tumu jong ka long ba revenue ba ti nakaliang ka jong ngi pen sngo pat so ka wei khmat joki namar ha ki counter team bun hi ki don ki dekhar ki non tribal fi ngila ya kran ba UCM ngala phone ba penya dru namar ha ka schedule jong ka district council ki don kam ununu nong bosong counter team ununu bale ga no business udon kam bet banyo e ka labor license bat ya ka trading license ti nakaliang ka jongi rungi persngowi ki ye gini president secretary bat ga ni khasi ga badan nang ni ba sngo kumno ha be dei pat bat ki dikhar ge bosong po counter team ti nakaliang ka jongi rugi ong ya ka badai hok ba fide ban le yengi kum kasang nya shkhman ngin le ben namar jing sha ka de kam dei ru ka kam ka jongi ka de ka kam jong inspector jong ka tax ban pet ban yet benia namar balai mengi haban mi shmi mengi hamadan namar ngam tip ya ka ei ka ba selendat pat yo don ka jing shim ne ka jing ai nganam la ban keno ya ka tala dang 4 lap sha ya ka jing shisha han rei balai pat ba ki tu ki kontar hang tu klem ka license kila ban play kila ban tho ka ne ka tai kata kam de ka kam ram jongi ringi tingi pej bej ka wei ka badan kam ngim persha namar ngi iso ka jing klumar man ka ni habang ngilet khanra ka mi hayo ba kimi ki khasi jongi tina kaliang ka jongi ngim dandaw re ki khasi bo ngim dandaw ei rem yu do snam la jong ba un le ka no ka kam tamalong kum tal ka kam ngi kwa ban tip bej ka de ban dei bej ka kam dei illegal ka de ban long bej thik kat kum kalenti ka badai tingim don cing persya kita khasi jongi re ka ei ka kham target ka jongi ka long bej bangi musla sha pat ban ipat bagi dikhar ne ki barjala bagi chuan le business bi an ban chu khai ban chu kamai spa ne ban kini lut ya ka pliang jai ban kini lut ya ka kam ka jam ka jongi namar fi hi bagi khasi jongi menta kari ka jongi ka dan pedang crisis ka dan pedang ka jing jenjar ka dan pedang ka jingkot lat bat ka khamtam ka bang isher khai ka mi so ka pedang ka jingkot lat pedang ka jingdo jingkerman ki samla ki larai ka lenti ka bamdei tin takadaw ka sarkar ka siong revenue mdan bamla ban thungkam bamla ban pen mi ki pos bamla ban ai kam ki samla na takadaw ngi wan hang niru ban keren bat ki ba ka jing keren ka long be kum tahi na kaliang jong ngi suburam be ngin ab be ja kata ka rai jong ka high court namar ki ong last hearing but final ba ka court kan khot ki so sin ki job na giram kata kam de ka
banile bantip adu katno ka dam side ka long ka basngan hakasi hat majai jogta yo u chairman kam managing director jongka MEECL Sanjay Goyal ulapentip bala IT haki artli ki kunhun banwat bania hakabede ba kajing singan jongka dam side kabalatay hakapung omyam Riboy district
Chairman kam Managing Director ke MEECL Sanjay Goyal ulapentip bana kaliang sorkar jela kala IT syaki artli ki agency ban penti kena ya kajing singan kajing tei baro kawai ka badan ya kawa umyam habakran nigilat patai kubor hakash potrik risau arhajar arpulai Sanjay Goyal uleto ba kajing tei ka baladen ya kawa umyam ka kentup iki arbenta kawai galong kajing tei ka bahaya ka bakentup ya kajing kingdam ba kawai galong ka benta ka basyapo ko Chairman kam Managing Director ulitu baik kebenta ban pule benya bat maramot iki benta ka jingkiang la IT ha ka IIT Guwahati. Kat ba ya kebenta ban pule benya bat maramot iki benta basyapo ko on IT ha ka Central Soil and Materials Research Station bat ka Central Water Power Research Station. Hagini kejuk kesngi Chairman kam Managing Director ke MEECL ulitu ru halor ka jingi kenduk ka tenat boarding jong ka sarkar jela ya menteri kam boarding ka sarkar pedeng ban pentip halor ka jingla jong ka jela Meghalaya ban nok senyang na kebenta ka renewable energy lengba ka jing penmi ka boarding na ka bor jong ka sngi hakeleng ka jela
one of the dams, which is the Umyam Dam, which is the having the pondage. The rest all of the dams are the run of the river dams, wherein not much pondage of water is there. So the concern for us is the safety and security of this dam. As we have been telling and putting up in various forums, is that we have undertaking the studies of the safety of the dam every now and then. IIT Guwahati is one of our main agencies who has been working on this aspect. They have been doing the sort of like safety audit for us in the past years. Recently also they have conducted some exercise and have conducted certain tests. Some more tests are required to be done by them as per their information. That also is in the process, and they are undertaking those activities. For this Umyam, there are two structures. One is the superstructure or the structure above the dam, which is the bridge part, wherein certain works are still going on. You must have observed it, that we are in the process of changing the ball bearings and all, which have been found that they require the replacement and the repair. The second part is the substructure part about the safety of the dam. Various tests have been done by the technical agencies. So as of now, there is no adverse report which has come to us. But still, under this dam rehabilitation program, also we are engaging one more agency to study in detail the substructure of the dam, about the safety, about the leakages, or about any other aspect, which is a comprehensive study which is in the process of being done by the technical and expert agencies. These are the agencies which have been empaneled by the Government of India to undertake these kinds of expert studies, and in the days to come we will be getting these reports. As of now, whatever reports we have received have indicated that the dam is meeting the requirement of the safety standards. The role of the solar energy, given the fact that we do have certain locations in the state wherein the solar energy can come. I mean, the solar plant can come up. The mega solar plants. The MECL corporation has already offered certain patches of the land which belong to the corporation, and it was highlighted that unfortunately there are no takers in terms of the tenders which we have called, and not much enthusiasm was shown from the investors. It's a corporation land, and we would like to get into some kind of JV or some kind of partnership with the central units like NTPC and all. So this was received well by the Union Minister, and he has put the central PSUs on the job to explore this possibility. Similarly was the case with Umyam. We have been doing the studies of utilizing the Umyam water reservoir for the solar plants and solar generation, and this was also received very well, and the Honorable Minister from the Ministry of Power has directed the NEEPCO, who is undertaking the study, to take it up on a fast track mode. One of the other discussions which came up was the pump storage systems to be set up in the state, and these basically they work on the storage model. Just for your information, it's like that we pump the water between two reservoirs up and down, and then use this storage on the reservoir at the higher level to generate the electricity in the peak time. It's just like your solar batteries, like you charge the batteries during the daytime using the cheap power of the solar, and utilize the power during the peak time, which is a very high demand power, and the requirement is very high. So just to smoothen that curve, which is very high peak during the peak hours, say maybe around 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening till midnight, we use this power, and we are in a position to sell that power at an affordable rate, which is more than the rates which we normally have during the daytime. So here also we have done the studies, and we have identified 4 locations with a potential of around 3100 megawatt, and we have given this idea to the Union government that we can take up this under the joint venture mode with any of the central PSUs, and the equity part of the state government funds which we are supposed to invest can come as a central financial assistance from the government side in the ratio which are there for the other infrastructure projects, which is like 90:10. So if these things come up and Honorable Minister was very receptive to these ideas, and if these things come up, then we are going to augment our renewable energy portfolio in a big way in the days to come.
Namar kejung so asat kejung kipat bahak kibasha penap daki kenta haba kilit tab ni let say pisa na ka State Bank of India Ranikor branch hakasi balang jogata yo ka seng AKHAF kalalet banjurep ya ka rukom trekam hakani ka bank.
Yang benar.
Okay.
Halor kerkom terekam ke State Bank of India Ranikor branch. Kaseng AKHAF hapok kejenglam Uklevesta Marak lalit jurep ya kena ke bank men pedi kerkom terekam jong ginong terekam tam haba kipat ba man lekapor kimat jeng na kejing suki palat kerkom terekam jong kena ke bank. Bat kam semlala setia ban ai kejing syakri ke bapaka ya kipat ba kibasa hakeleng jong kena ke district. Kipat ba kiladap de kejing bitar haba ki hab ban yang lan bat ab baru asisngi bat kelit pai thli shalayeng. Bakladan kejing bambiang ke kompenya yaki kam kijam hagane ke bank ke ba ajing syakri ya palat cis pa asan pau tli gishnong ki badan hangatan. Uklevesta Marak ladawa badai bag sarkar jela bag sarkar pedang bagi dibantu klar no mardor ban pentikna bandan kejing kentiu kerdan no kloy kene ke bank kenang bakan la ban kejing syakri ke babha bat ke bakloy ya kipat ba.
Terus
Ale wan to sisir ro kami yo dengan taruh mungkin tabalin adhar. Akan no sir yo pisana ai mai kali. Alai sir mentang wan.
Lesson. Hello doang. Hai.
Tambal kalan kapai cerong. Wei briu rung haporu daki kenta ya. Ni yang da tinru bajeng lawan nadu na kulang. Gerai mentah hang ni. Di kapai kaliru katno ngolot mo. Kapai wai kaliru lancar so hajar ni na nasional ni lawan la santi kenta 4 yor.
Kumsi benta banile ban long ki bala pen kre lepa la da ja ba wan len shop ka bor mariang ya ke jela bat ban pet ban kmi hadu kanu ke jela kala long ka bala pen kre lepa ban ajing rap ki pat ba hakasi pele jogoto yo ka Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority kala pen long ya ka state level mock exercise hakeleng ki district jogo jela.
Kajing penlong ya kene ke mock exercise ke desi benta ban pen kre ya kejeng walan shop ki bor kamariang ke besriam kum ujumai ke belajar ke jalan Meghalaya ha ke stem chajar praspa kendai punyo. Ha kenong ba shilong le penlong ya kene ke mock drill ha ke than polo ya ke balawan ban desim benta ki bor penya district ki sipai ki pulet ke National Disaster Response Force ke State Disaster Response Force ki fire but emergency service ki school ki college ki kenhun seng bhalang ki nongshong shnong ki dikhot jong ka Bharat Scouts and Guides ke Indian Red Cross Society ke NSS bat kiwi-kiwi. Labo ya ke incident command post, medical camp, staging area, relief camp, bat ya ke base camp ha parking lot polo, bat ka madan third ground ha polo. Nalor ka niya la wan ru ban kmi bnia ya ke mock drill da ki dikhot jong National Disaster Management Authority ban pet hado katno ka jela kalong ka balakrea. Ladadan ki jingja kum ka jing kinyo jumai ne ke jang walan shop ki bor kamariang. Watla ka jing penlong ya kene ka mock drill kalong ka badan kam ndre ki pat ba kiladap da ka jing menyau namar ba kala pen mi ka jing dhang kali ka bajur bha ha kanong ba shilong na kaliang jong ka District Disaster Management Authority West Jante Hills ru kala penlong ya ka mock drill ha ka sor jawai ya ka balawan manishim benta daki kenhon baper
Ini mesti pi start.
Somebody support you. They support you. You were Georgia, the old Ikenda. Come at the time. You were Georgia, then the old Ikenda.
Actually, the Meghalaya and the whole of the northeast region falls under the seismic zone 5. And in case of as the demographic changes and the construction has gone on for the last few 30-40 years, the population in the Shillong, especially Shillong and Dura cities, are very much vulnerable. For the magnitude earlier we have faced in 1897, it being happened a long time, but if we such magnitude we face such earthquake of the such magnitude, certainly it will be very devastating situation. Actually, one team is comprises of the 47 person with all together with all elements, including the dog, canine squad, medical staff and the communication staff and the rescuers, even the medical responders and search and rescue specialized, the rope rescue responders, team commander, everyone. So 47 in aggregate we do have with the strength of our team. We have, actually most of the equipment those are required here because it is a very scarcity of the place. Most of the equipment we have displayed at the staging ground. Whatever the equipment is required, it is very close to us, we will just call there. And especially we have a base of operation, we have a initial equipment that has already been placed. For this communication equipment, we have the vehicle mounted antenna. This is a satellite antenna. In case of the communication disruption, this will communicate with us through satellite to anywhere. We can voice call on voice, we call on video calls, and we can even save the data.
Banile ban penslur ye kipat ba bakin ringam kat kum gajuk start science ke bamenta hakala asu ble jo kata yo ka North East Center for Technology Application and Research kata ka NECTA kala ai jing hikai ye ki nong ringap ha ka jingelang ka balalong ha Umran Regional Resource Training Center Ribhoi District ha ka babun ngut ki nong ringap kilawan bani shembenta.
Banang besut cucu ikibut kibakat kum kejuk start ke pemerintah halor ke kam ringap hapereng kinong ringap na keleng kathan stela mingi kibla syajit kerpang kentup na kejala Meghalaya. Haga kendai terik risau arhajar arpulai ke kenhun jaga North East Center for Technology Application and Reach NECTAR. Haga jengat reilang bat ke ICCO kila sedang ya program IJ hikai ringap kat kum kejuk start ke pemerintah. Kabalalong ha Umran Regional Resource Training Center ha ke distrik Ribhoi. Hagani ke program IJ hikai lawan mat IJ hikai diundang ringap Ujan Ari van Berkom Wei neginong mi khmat naga kenhon PUM negeri Netherlands. Haga jingadan langru Dr. Arun Kumar Sharma, Director General Connectar, Dr. Colin Z. Rentley, Advisor Technical Connectar nalor kiwe-kiwe. Hagani kasi nakaliang Uberkom kumuwin giru Shampang hakakam ringap negeri Netherlands. Ula aji hikai syakinong ringap bagi day ban buat no kat kum gejuk start ke pemerintah. Kenang bagi ni ojing mentoy kambuan nakakam ringap. Ula pensyairu bakakam ri yakingap ban penmi yak ngap bun kinong rap akan nakakam kili ojing mentoy shibun ban kerja niki yang kisem. Nerai banang penjanai ke nakakam kidang don kam ban tip syuk-syuk ki wiki but ki batamai ki badai kat kum gejuk start science. Kenang bakin kam ojing mentoy hakakam ringap. Kenang ba kenla ban kiaru na kirukom ki barim ki bamenchua ki bamda ajing mentoy tan hado kata-kata.
Nakaliang ka office kajungi ka North East Center for Technology Application and Reach kemudian ka office headquarter po Shillong. Ni pelong yakini ka training program sepang ka scientific beekeeping management and value added products. De kajing le kajungi kalong ba ni persang na ka office ni ban pentri kami ka hani mission. Ha kabangin la sedang naduk mencim senem bat mentang ya ha ki face bat mentang ni persang ban pelit jimut kambun ha po ka training namar ke bangi syamba ki brewji ho ki don ya kata kajing nang kajing start kajing nang kajing tip kumno ban penmi ko ngam henry ru ki don ki por ba ki kisem kita kajing jinjar kumno ban penim ni kita ki kolni te nakaliang kajungi ru ba ni itu bat ni sutu ba ki don bun kita ki lat ki bentah ha kabangin la ban yo ya kita ki byproducts nakangap umdei tang ko ngap henry kita ki byproducts ru kum ki venom ki royal jelly bat kum ta ter te hakani ka training ni persang ban ai jing tip bajing nang yakini ki trainees ki bawan nakaleng ka North Eastern States kumba fitip ka office ni ka page mdi tangi ka jila Meghalaya andre ya barok ka ka North East te kumju ru hagani ka training program ni don ki beekeepers ne ki nong ringap ki ba napo Arunachal napo Nagaland na Meghalaya kumju na Assam bat kumta ter ngidi ru banyo ki nong shimbeta napo Sikkim andre na ki jingja ki bam la kher ki por menta kim shim la ban wan shu andre bat ngi kermen ba limba kani ka training program kini ki trainees ni lani kini ki nong ringap nda kila lik phai sela ki jong ki jaka kila la kumno ban penbiang ban penbet penbiang khamba shu ya kita ki sing ki jong ki bat kumjuru kumno ban la ban package rai kita ki ngap ki jongi ki ngap ki jongi nomor ba habet meta hoi ni la ban penmi kita ki ngap henry claim dadon kata ka packaging material ka babiang lada phemla ban label bha henry kamla ban yo kata ka dor ka babet ka babiang te lingba kani ka training program ni kermen ba nila ban ai jingtep shaki wei ba kumno bangin le ban yo kata ka value mo khambun shu kata ka jing koridor jong kata ka ngap publish
Habadan kamon kadon kalenti kani kade kanuksa kabla sei do wirang ba na Riboy district ubalong ru unong elam jokaseng RBYF ubala seng ya ka BP Thangkeu Bamboo Industries hamar dan nong ba banshna ya ki dhop ki basma ubi da ka ba penan kam ya ki si ki ba mi kerhai ha ka them Riboy
Da kejing ang nuot banang penyar ya ka kam leng ba kejing penan kam hi ka spa meriang ka badan hak jela kam ta ka distrik Riboy kadai leng ba kejing mi bha usiat ya ka kathan ha ka ba uwe ni gire orang ba balapau jong ka kathan uba people Thangkeu lala pat ban sedang se ka kam banshna ya ki siat ne ki bamboo stick ha ka ban la ban penan kam pat ki banshna yu dhop ubaran shibon ti kejing ubi bat ban penan kam ha ki babun ki benta ya kini ka kam banshna ya uni bamboo stick leng ba ka BP Thangkeu Bamboo Industries ka badan ha ka shnong merdon nong ba ban penan kam pat ban penmi ki dhop iba mi kejing sma ubi baper na kaliang uba people Thangkeu ubadai ru nong elam ka RBYF sengkemia ulah sedang pat akan ka jela daga bapen mendapat ba halor kene ka kam ban penmi ya kini ki bamboo stick ki blashna no siat bat banshna ki dhop balai kerteng kum kanandika agarbati lengba ka Rajdeep Innovation Private Limited ya ka balapan mendapat ba ha ka Khatwei Trik Risau Arajar Arpulai pa Sling ha ka distrik Riboy ha kini ke sini nalor uba people Thangkeu utrai ka BP Thangkeu Bamboo Industries laidan lang ru kinong seng jong ka Rajdeep Innovation Private Limited bekentup yo Dipen Sharma badu Rajiv Kunwar bat kiwe habakran dengan program ban pen mendapat ba halor kejing trekam ka karkhana basna gini ki bamboo stick ban pen mi ki dhop baper uba people Thangkeu ulah penpau ulah pai kemat sasakane kakam ban snai kini ki bamboo stick banang penyari ya kejing penmi baper leng ba kejing penan kami ki siat hadin kakam ulah sedang naduk kasnam Hajar kat nrio daga baple jing mot ki kam snapat ya ki yeng siat baper hakaleng jela Meghalaya bat chaduk ki wei pat ki jela jong kari ki bekentup naduk ki yeng dorbar ki yeng baduk ki kam raskol bat ki samri jingri ki bela penan kam bet tang du siat ki mami hi nak ne jela kam tam ha ka distrik Riboy uli tho ru ba ha ka jing ya lenti jong u banshna ki yeng ki sam da ka bapenan kam tang do usiat ulalap bana pedang ki siat baju penan kam ba ka ne ka kam ki bekentup yo siat yong bat usiat skong ulalap bakini ki jat siat kem dai ki bada bon ka distrik Riboy balayo tang halat charai maulen maukhan bat umkei bat kini ki jat siat ki dai ki badan bon pat ha ka distrik Southwest Khasi Hills bat West Khasi Hills katkum ke jinglap jong u uloong ba ha ka distrik Riboy pat lala ban penmi bha ya ki arjat ki siat kata urnai bat ushken balalap badaitang usiat rnai u bala penmi bha ki snong ki thau jong ka distrik Riboy batang na kasnong umdan marngaru ki jushalan kumbah nyu hajar telisisngi bat gajing shalan ke jor bahasa Guwahati bat hadian gajing nang wat jing tep baleng bau ni usiat rnai la ban penan kam sahakum ki wei pat ki kam balalap bau ni usiat ude balap ban penan kam hagaban penmi pat ya udhop bananam hagari India hi brokawe kabadai ru kawe ne kiri ka penan kam bahai ki dhop ki bami naki company ki babon kumta halor kani ke jinglap jong u ba bipol ula pentep ula sedang pat eka karkhana shna yakini ki bamboo stick ha kasnam Hajar Arpuar ha kasnong merdon nong ba ki badan shuai ki jinghe ba shfo inchi khandai inchi bat pra inchi da ki jing ang nuat ban ple ki lat ban penan kam ya ki spa mariang namar ka jing mi ibha ki siet bala ban penan kam ban penmi u dhop u basma ubi Bat kum kalat ban ai kam ai jam ki nong chong snong bat ka jing ang nuat ba ka jing pemni pat ki dohop balasan ba hap ka company ka badan ka jela Asam ya ka ba ladap ban sedang ya ka jing de kini ki dohop ha ka jela Asam Tripura ban mentah ha ka jela Meghalaya. Shoshoro ula pentep ba ka jing shalan ni kini ki jing sma ubi hap ka ri idan kumba ka tu kene teli bat ki de ki basya mi ki marpat na ka ri China namar ka jing la jo kene ka ri ban ai da ka dor ka barit. Nrai namar ke jing poho ke jing don jing ni jet siet ha ke jela Meghalaya kamta ma ke distrik Libhoi. Kadon ke jing kermen bakane ka kamshna yakine di bambu stick bansna dhop bagi nong seng yakum kini karkhana kila ban kieu tang na ke jing penon kam ni kispa ke badan ha ke ka than. Da ke bau ang not ru ban yo ke jing kershan ni pat ba jong ke jela Meghalaya. Namar yakini ki dhop la ban penon kam ha ki babon jat ki kam.
Hanong po no extension ke balai kerteng no usik. Te menta kata usik bangi te wala palaktin scientific name ki ong tamai lokan abasifera. Ngi ngidon bun ba usik, bun tam usik usik kraw bangi ong ngi po. Jungi ke batip maka scientific name kung tau Dendrocalamus hamiltonii. Te menta habang ngi rapan, ngi kum kinong solution jo kri boy ngi rap uritang ni usik dunyai. Haman lagi tliwingin iudan usik dunyai nama mensuangi penan kam stai exam. Te habang awat keleng-keleng ngam juyo ya siyong bat uta skom ni yu kendu petang ya urnyai la de snonga la de snong jupiro pori boy district ni kendu petang urnyai te menta habang ngi pahu ya urnyai kai ke bangi maximum ke supply ke le Guwahati la ngi petang ya ka area Umdan Surok marnga ngi de ki pau teli ki trok pau teli ki pick up ki ket bet ya ki ro ta ki se Guwahati. Te habang kikit sa Guwahati, habang awat jintip kanon tali kikit kisik ya kacisking kendu yo ba Silver Star Malay, way na playing entrepreneur ba supply kisik, wong ba ngi supply kumbanyo hajar tali kacisking. Perkatang na ketika way ke Surok ki supply tu nyo hajar tali kisik takirnya cisking. Tenging yung idun ke potential ya uni usik ladangi proses hi hapok kari lajok. Harin ba proses hira jong iwat jing tepan ka uni utulda uni bambu satulda urnyai uai best hake ngilap na ki expat ki the best agarbatti stick ude bami na uni bambu satulda bat melokana basifera utau terlau bangyong bat nong terlau kadang sinong nong po ditang to sik ni bat uni urnya tau tulda ta bagi mi ni atli ngi bangi ngi pahu kini gisi apo ke district jongi bergejela ke jongi nyong ngin ke processing unit apo ga jakala jong tengah lasdang ni kam nadu arjar apua bansnano ya uni agar batistik ngidan lightly kisai ke bengisna sipo inch kendai inch berpra inch ngil asna damar beli ngi jom hakani ke business nama ngile research ru ya ke demand ke market kanno kum ngi kinong Indians ibarat kuma cheese pa sau pukro mu kinong sosno agri India kanno ki pendon kam agar beti ngilap ba 1000 saus pa kendai po metric ton haka cheese ngi Indian consume man pendon kam utang ini agar beti just imagine lu 1000 saus pa kendai po metric ton tingi wat jengti perlu kanno kita ki entrepreneur po India kila man produce yang niu stick kai ka bangila kalau tang news pa san po metric ton haka shimnai as an Indian entrepreneur ki produce ka jengkli ba kraw ka long ba ka gap mano ba feel ni ba baro agar betistik lah company ka bahaya tam hari India yang ka cycle brand ka baar ka bawan ka bale ya ka market tonabar kumba 1000 praspak crore bat ka jet black ka bale do praspak crore kini bahaya tam maximum kishim market jong ke China ka ITC ka di ka ba supply ya kini mar hakum kini company nama beliau China kila ban ai ha ka price ka barit na ka barit tam kumbang ong menne ke China kalau penyiar kador hadu nrupo pratingka hadin baka India kalau kentiu arpusan persen custom duty dan nrupo pratingka ngi pat nginam la ban produce kador duna ya ka kendai pratingka kamu ngila duna nginam la asyuk ban produce sebab kalau very challenge bayangi bangin compete ya ke China Handingi kerman sekian ba ki Indian industries ki bale ya kini ka agar betistik kidan lu ka jingma kumba kerja hakisam beladap kata ka dokalam isu kabaga Indian government kala banlut ya baru ki import na po ka China berhangta keca kini kiba penya ya ka agar beti hapo ka India tiong bangidon kam bangin hab ban penim ya kita ki entrepreneur hapo ka India taro ka sim langi hadu ka dor cispa ru tengka cispa nyu tengka sikilo
Haswa bang ne beteng susu iki kubor ngene phai biang so sipor skini ki jing pen bana.
Are you having trouble in having baby? Nearly 27.5 million couples in India actively trying to conceive suffer from infertility. Cherish your dream of parenthood with us, Janitva IVF Center. Now we are in your city, Shillong. Our state-of-art assisted reproductive technology and our team of doctors and embryologists will guide you to realize your dream of parenthood. Consult Dr. Arpita Sharma, Chief IVF Consultant, Janitva IVF Center, Guwahati. For further details, please contact www.janitvavf.com or contact Janitva IVF Center, Shillong.
A person can get infected with HIV through unprotected sex with an infected partner, sharing of needles with an infected person, transmission from infected mother to fetus, and from infected blood products. You can prevent yourself from contracting HIV or AIDS. Be faithful to your partner. Use condom for safe sex. Use only HIV-screened blood or blood products. Do not share needles, syringes, blades, razors, etc. Visit your nearest integrated counseling and testing center to know your status. Protect yourself and your loved ones. To know more on HIV or AIDS, call toll-free number 1097. Know your status. Be educated about AIDS. Issued in public interest by the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society.
Shua bangini ya saprang bagi kubor ki jongi ni penken mau biang ya kimat pakongsan minta kata yo. Smokia Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih baduna kena puli haki sispa Andrew Pratli ki primary school bat sispa iwetli ki upper primary school ke Jelak. Oni trelang kaki DC bat ke World Bank banwan ra ya ke kut ke Subang. Yat pat ba kinong hikai bandawa na UBC ke Nihu bandum ya ke jingyalang jongka Academic Council. Beteng kejeng berat pathari ki merat ki belayap. Lap say kamasi ki belayap, halor ke telong umbam ke sornong po. Dawa ke hitu bantau ya ke reservation policy, halor ke bahak pulih. Hadali on penlong jingyek ki ke HANM, bandawa ILP, bat ban penrung ya ke ketien khasi bat garu, ha ke 8 schedule. Bat esim benta ki samla ha ke district level youth exchange program. Kumba Julia mala usnem. Mentaka kentiru karat laban sport social and cultural organisation ha kasi sejan jo kata yo beladam kala penkup buram ya ki ars pak kandai pulai ngut ki kena puli ki belawan syakmat ki jing puli ki jongki ha ka jing elang ke belalong ha ususu tham auditorium Shillong.
Karat Laban Sports Social and Cultural Organisation RLSSCO kalai kusnam ki kena bagi samla puli bak kene kede kesian ke ba arpau. Bat keladan arspa kendai pulai ngot gi kena pulih ke belasya penkup buram bat sapu arngot ke belawan syakmat gi bayo dai ke laptop. UMLA barem gamau prem Umanas Chowdhury ulalong kongsan ha ke balaidan lang presiden ke RLSSCO ubasan Borshulai ubelong ru UMLA ke South Shillong constituency ki principal jongki school kinong elam shnong bat kiwe-kiwe. Habai keren bat ubasan borsulai ulong bak RLSSCO kala penlong yakani kejing pun kup buram bagi kena pulia ki bawan cekmat kejing pulia haki kerdan baper mentala arpau senam. Bat kila jandon ko baspo hajar ngot ke balasya pun kup buram kat haduk mentah. Ulong bak kejing tu jong ni kejing pun kup buram baman laga senam kalong ban ai men siam bat ban penslur ki kena pulia ka constituency. Ulong syok bak RLSSCO ke pen kup buram ru ki kena ki bawan negi long yang ki baduk bat ki badan jing duna ki dekat met bat wat ikitu ki beli eno ashteng por ke jing pulia namar ke jing bamla asyuk na yeng ban kersan bat ke pen kup buram ru ikitu ki kena ki baduk ki bamdon ke pasyo ni ki baklam let tuition ndrei ki blalek bha haki eksamen baper
kadang-kadang ka sistem ke arpo la arpo sistem mencua kadang-kadang sistem ke arpo bangi yai beteng ban aimen sim ban kumpurom yaki samla puli kan tebet senrang bat ru ngilabu ru yaki special categories ka bangi kumpurom ru yaki tu ki samla kan tebet senrang ki baron ke jumluna gitu kat bat ru ki ba dei ki pur gitu ki bala no ya ka puli jing puli na dau jo ke jing duk jing kerdo ai jumlah kerjaan sini bat ru gitu ki BPL student bagi ong gitu ki samla puli kan tebet senrang ki ba duk ki ba kerdo ki bala ayam no pa kami kasu tribela kasu klinik simbrio klem tuition kali penyarap yang kami cacaka sanjan cacaka tray but somehow klem tuition kami daga jingkor public somehow ki pass first division ki pass second division tingi so daga committee na organization ki kamlong dise banai ban encourage ki that terlalu ki pass aga third division second division ru ni perkuburom yaki but agak ada ganti manusia kadang keba sepoi saus pa sampo lais pa propo manusia ngidan arts park dai pulai kemun ki kelas 10 but 12 boys and girls hakin di arpo tu lagi sistem kamu ke bang isu ya simjing kaj malumala kalau along kumba sipo hajar ngut ye hapo nak konsumsi gila yo ban ai kan ka award
Kumsi benta ban ai jing itu ikilong kemie ke Riboy district ki bala yeng hala ki jong ki kejat ban kamai ka ji da ka ba penmi iki acar ha kasi palai jong kata yo la pen ku buram ye ki sispa prapulai ngut kilong kemie ka district ha po district horticulture office Riboy district
Kumba sispa prapulai ngut kilong kemie ne keleng gisnong ke district Riboy ha ka kat arterik urisau arhajar arpulai ki yo ya ke jing itu ke bakerpang halor ke jing pentebet ya kejeng penmi iki asyar kebobonjat harian baketrat horticulture lambat ketrat food processing ke Sorkar Jela kala IT yaki certificate harian kila pendap ya kejeng ai jing hikai ke besibnai kabalapan yat da ke Meglai State Skills Development Society lengba kenik program ai jing hikai kilong kemie kumno bandang penjenai ke rukom syat asyar bat kejeng pentibet aswa bandesh ki yokihat namar kejeng bananam ki asyar hagari na kenik kathan Kabelong ru sibenta ban ailat ya kejing sengkam sengjam ikilong kemie bat ban penbit penbiang dia mendiang hala kejong kikejat lengba kene kakam hagene ke program haga bala penkup buram ikilong kemie haga tenat district horticulture office lawan management batalang do ba meral bon CM UMLA kanong po kumukongsan haga jing don rangkat uba Makbul El Suyam officer on special duty ke food processing ikong BM Umlong joint director ke tenat kerap karyang ikong FN Sun District Horticulture Officer, ikong E Karbudan Program Manager ka Meghalaya State Skills Development Society bat kiwe-kiwe. Uba Androni Lengkoi ude Technical Associate ka Food Processing ule thu hagajin keran gejong u bak Sorkar Meghalaya keran ka thong banang penyar ka yodi asyar bat ban kentio kilong kme hakane ka kam bagin yang halaki jong ki kejat bat ban yo jing mentoy dengan ka kam. Namarkum belasaki bahak than Riboy kadai kawen ki district babanana man penmi bonjat ki asyar. Igi bala amansaki ne kejingdon jigi dukan hasilan ter kesurok ba kumbeli iha kesnong nongpo dulong nar umling bat kiwe-kiwe badai halor ne gebenta ban kaliang katnat kelasye mekene kalat ban penjanai ya ke rukom syat asyar bat ban penbiang ya ki eki bedan kam bagi jing tho ekador tarik ke basna ka tarik ke bakut ke jing kedau ya ke FSSAI license number bat kiwe-kiwe Habakran ne kene kesni uba Amiral Bonds IM ulai kublai bagi jing ero ekatnat horticulture bat ke food processing kibla syem yang kena bentah. Ulu ongru bakalong ke basisha bakayau asyar kena ke district kalong ke bahaya dan raila saki pat bagin ke kam don yang ke jingli ajanai habadi ke asyar. Kumta ke jingwan syakmat jugini kitnat ban hikai ke rugam penmi asyar bat bandi ki hak rugam ke bakam janai. kalong ke AK kaban kentiu shisha ki kenang baki asyar baki syat kinlong ki babet babiang bat ban kentiu ru ya kayo kakot jang liki breu. Ula kentu ya bro kilong kemi ki balayo kene gejing hikai bakin penun kam hok pat gejing nang jengtit baki layo na ke program ka balalong shibenai. Kenang bakan long gejing mentoy yaki. Katenat horticulture kelasa miki certificate jabarok kilong kemik beladak ban pendap ya ke program ajing hikai. Rengkat bat kitiar kita ban penenkam haga bapinmi ya ki asyar baper.
Paniyo ya gejing senya bat kami ke training ya ke ba hi pelayo gejing hikai. Kumno ban pedam, kumno ban sena, kumno ban komputer. Bat kumno ban ya nang ni sekmat. Kumno ban biang ke level, kumno ban don ka paniyo ya itu ka certification mo. Jong ke FSSAI ni naga benta ban penting kena bagi turis nak keleng ke pertai kiba yat lang bay kan ke surok lana wat ki sinong git haur bagi syania dia kamar ke bangi gitu ni kata ke jing tumu jong ke training bat ni sutu biang ban sibit pin sayo ya ki certificate nak right ai certificate dia certificate mar bila dep ke training ba kan long ke jing mentoy nak benta jung Higi hap pan perkat ilukai gilok kamcingi hap perkat kamcingi wachar wachet hi bam hi ilile chno chet hi bam hi bhaendre wodei hadukan lagi lok la gerling de bertei hap sutu is hap ji hi hap ban shania ya tu kamar kumu nusa de tu wachar yui gemar bro iso nangka po ka food processing Directorate Food Processing matahari bohili bagi ibabun baik batung sotrun ka usai mo nakapor sa kapor bat kidan katukan ni ki snong kumha mau pro kumha nong khara kiladon ki processing unit bawe hapo pambir ngidang persang nakamta ban pen urlong no igetu kani ka baditang nakamta ka sotrun bakin sina ya ki umso lani ki jam baper na ka sotrun bat bandon ki level ki babiang bat bandi haki dukan lani ban supply segiwi jakal kan long ni jung pro tenamar kata haba biwan haki training gi bakum kini wat nam shim bakan long tang ka jingwan ban pendek hukum ban yo certificate kata de ka bakong san hadu bun ki perlok SG jung ide o bala kre gila horticulture ya chule pendek hukum ni kita ba yu chula lach deju la pep lach si asni pep sintiari de jing kwa ga jung I kalong bait ba de ban pentikna ba pin pendep ya gi training adin ba dep training belajo ka certificate pendon kam hok ya ga tu sap ka betul hikai ki ba ringap hani pa RTC la ju hikai ben ringap sen training piro e guli training labun bahagi ba im dang tu magini gi hikai ki bela hikai gi kandi gede ka peliang cha jadi ka peliang cha ka jumpi gi jung ka ba ngiyeng hal gi jung kejan ni penmi ke asyar ni penmi gi so ni penmi gi jung bang gi ba per na ka benta ban kersan aying hasem
Kumsi benta jong jeng rakhi ka National Postal Week 2018 hakala si uble jong ta yo ka India Post North East Circle kala pensapet ba saphang usinyang ubakala no sa ka imlang salang bat kumju ban pensau thu ye ki scheme ba per ki ba ajing mento ye ki pa nok sonong
Kumsi benta man rakhe ke Postal Week 2018 ke India Post North East Circle kala ajing hikai shikinong sonong saphang ka scheme bat kilat baper jong ke India Post banerap kipat ba nong sonong ke jela bat ka than chitelam ngihi brokowe ya ka World Post Day la rakhe ka kandai ter urisau man la ka snam kumsi benta ban kan mau buram me ka singi balaseng ya ka Universal Postal Union UPU ha ka snam shahjar praspa nyokusau ha ka nong ba jong ke Swiss ka Bernie Ka Indian Post kan rakhe ka National Post Week 2018 ka ban sedang ka kandai ter urisau hadu ka khalai ter urisau 2018 bat kani ka jang rakhe ka longkum shibenta ban pensapriang halor ka benta bat ka kamram jong ke India Post ha ka bedai bat ki kampen roy hagari ha bakran ni gidong pathai kubor ha ka kandai ter urisau sapang ka jinggen shopisa ha ka India Post bat ki wei jing shakri ha ka dong ba Chief Postmaster General North East Circle Usubrat Das uliatho bagi Post Office akadong ba kinlong ruk kijaka ng bentak India Post Payment Bank bat ka direct benefit transfer. Ula pente bru halor kijing thaulat ak sarkar India ya kadak neriat kendra ha ka ba man ki yengdak kinlong kinong shalan ni gimar hagaban pentulon ni kayok kokot je kinong kendong. Nalor ka World Post Day kaban rakia na ka kendai terik urisau. Ka North East Circle kan rakiru ya ka Vidya sa Shaktikaran Diwas hakashpo terik urisau. Ka Philately Day haka khatwe terik urisau. Ka Mail and Parcel Day haka khat ar terik urisau. Bad ka Antyo Daya Diwas haka khatlai terik urisau.
That's also an important objective. Digital network or enterprise, we try to provide financial services for financial inclusions of citizens all over the country. And this is also a very effective medium for the social and the economic upliftment of the citizens at large through the medium of direct benefit transfer. In North East Circle, we have been focusing in growth and development of the postal sector in a very, very organized way. All our post offices, starting from our head post offices, which are biggest unit, to our branch post offices, are fully computerized, fully networked through an enterprise. We provide all kinds of services, be it a small post office in a border state or be it a large post office in the capital. And we have been modernizing our operations and providing operational efficiency through a very efficient mail network system. Our 6 states, it would please you to know that this financial year, the Government of India has given us around 1,500 branch post offices all across the 6 states of our circle, where the unbanked villages would be covered. Bank account, not of commercial banks, we do our own bank, India Post Payment Bank. So that we do, which is basically, onboarding is very easy. See, unlike here, you just require an Aadhaar and a finger, so you are onboarded. So that is our advantage. Now, what is the reach in urban and rural areas? You see, you know that there is savings is a function of your income. So wherever income is more, saving flows more there. But our capacity is there. Whenever people would like to come for saving, we do. That's number one. Number two, the other point, how do you motivate people to save? That's also an important objective, because you have the infrastructure. Now somebody who is spending, our strategy is to say don't spend everything, keep something. Because we have all kinds of products. So we have something, the department has come out with a very beautiful concept, which is called DCDP. We have given you in your brief. It's the Dark Community Development Program. Now the Dark Community Development Program is in collaboration with the local administration. And we all come under one roof, and the village headman would also come. We would call the local people, and then we tell them about different kind of programs, and that is how we do it.
Kumsi benta banile ban kenti ke jingking liang kayak hakasi hat majai jong tayo ka Riboy Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society Limited bat katanat Sports and Youth Affairs jong ka jala kilapan long ya ka International Meghalaya Kayak Festival hakawa umtro hakasunong tham hakaba kinong king liang kayak na kelengkiri ke pertai kilawan bani simbenta hakani ke Lampung.
Ka tamasa king liang ka babananam haka pertai hibrokowei ka belas sedang ru bandrung haka jengmut jeng perkat jeng kinong syong ke jela Meghalaya kiberen sap akan ke jengila akai ka belatip kom ka Meghalaya Kayak Festival Arhajar Arpulai kelas sedang biang menta ka khat terik urisau Arhajar Arpulai hakawa umtro ka White Water ka bahaka syong tham. Ya kani kata masa Kingling Megha Kayak Festival penlong dari Riboy Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society Limited rengkat ke jengit trailang bat ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs ke jela kebelas sedang aka khat ar terik urisau bat ke bankut aka khat sau terik urisau balasaki ya ke jengamane simbenta de ginong Kingling na keleng kiri ke perthai bat kumju kinong Kingling na kani ke jela ke belawan mane simbenta habun li ke jengya kop ke belah penlong ha keleng ibenta ke jela Meghalaya. Ha babatai halor ka tamasa Kingling ikong lari koridor karkrang idkhot ke Riboy Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society Limited. Ila pentep bahagian yang kesengi belas sedang yang kata masa King Liang lawan pada Shim Benta da kumba arpusan ngut kinong King Liang nabar geri India bentuk yang lain ngut kinong King Liang na Gejala Meghalaya. Hari ini kata masa kinong peniat ila bu ban penlong yang kejengnya kop agak terdan professional category but intermediate category. Haka belas sedang yang kejengnya kop naik kebentaki hybrid dan bag intermediate category dan baik ini terdan 4 penlong aki sengi kebabut.
Ya kanika event ya kanika megha kayak fest ni peniat ya kanika society jengi te mentakas ni ka kadar tarik Oktober ngila sedang ya ka intermediate category kata ka down river te ngidon shipho ngut ki nong leka nong ya shimbenta te kibun ki lokal jengi ki kide ki lokal kamud nang ni national bat national ngidon te ngidon ro na Arunachal bat na Sri Lanka ki badai haka intermediate ya ka ba mentakas ni te next day ngin sadan kibun ki National Paddlers ngidon khatsan teli kiri kibala poi haduk menta kanika klipmat. Pakindang wan rute. Tam lene duna ngidon arpusan ngut kiba ki international. Kiba wan na kiwe kiri ngidon ki arpusan ngut ngidang expect ru kibandang wan. Na jela jengi haka pro kategori ngidon ya Vishnu Lizzy. Lain ngut ngidon. Dia ngidon untuk hangut ai.
Ka office jong u district sports office jong ka East Khasi Hills district ka penlong ya ka district level youth exchange program ka baar ha ka community hall jong ka Snong mission compound ha ka sibalang bat ka sipale jong ka tayo ha ka ba palat spangut ki samla kan thai bet shinrang kilawan bani shimbenta ban pen I ya la ki sap ki phong ki jong ki Kajing temu ban penlong ikani ke program kalong ban pelilat iki samla jo ke district ban esem mentah ka ban peni ya ke sap ka phong ka jongki bat kumju ban yo ru iki jing hikai ni kri sampang ha ka be dei ba ka jing em ka kot ka khia ka jing nang jing start bat ki be ki ban te ka jing em jo ki samla ki bela job ha ka jing ko ba pero per ki la sa jiet ban mi khmat e ka district ha ki jing ko ki ban long ha ka state level Bat katmuru banjit iki samla ban le isim benta ha ka North East National Youth Festival bat International Youth Exchange Program ki ban wan. Ki samla ki la yo ek jing ajing batai bat jing hikai na uba Sani Maulong Managing Director jongka Emmanuel Coaching Academy and 100-Fold Academy ka kong Ivarihun Warjri Director 100-Fold Academy Emmanuel Coaching Academy bat Mount Olive Culinary and Hospitality Management. Uba Jefferson Rani, ubalong sector head, jongka Entrepreneurship, Ecosystem Development and Outreach Sector, Prime Hub Meghalaya, but uba Banket Lang Nongbri, founder Ecori Waste Management Startup Meghalaya, kila ajing kren halor kimat baper. Yakni ke program la pli perda da ka ADC jongka East Khasi Hills, ka kong di Kharshi Yeng kum ka kong san, kat bau sekretari jong ke Darbar Snong Mission Compound u Profesor Don Kuparwar ula penhak perda yakni ke program.
kadangdon hayeng. It depicts a mourning observed by the grandson and granddaughters when the dead body of their paternal grandmother is still at home. Hangni ki khun kha ki shat anu yala kamekha da kabakawe da usimpia yong ya kamet haringkat kesul melung kebisli keduitara bad kanakra kiwai bad kishan haringkat kamu kadam da kabakawe baro aliang keti da usimpia li kiwai bad kiwan pen kham pen so da kiblang kimasi.
Hasratku pada lo yang kena yaki siapang kajing lain fai do kasabara pani habang apoy mau lamar we ngacurki ang rio usia nukong lajing tiang akibat stay latang song bandi
dah katu kubor ngila poisa ka bakut jang katu kubor jing imta kata yau in se syam pat bat pile syam te yau ha ka juga sngi ha ka juga por sa shi sen pat pile shi